Hello, this is Berto from Apex Customs. Behind me here we have a 93 Bronco. So this customer got this thing fully built with a long travel kit. It's got Fox suspension all the way around, full cage truck, 4 bucket seats. I mean, this thing's ready to take on the desert as soon as we're done with this performance build. Basically, the truck's really heavy now, and the stock engine just was not doing the job. He came to us, wanted initially just the Vortec Supercharger. Being that this engine was, 30 years old, we went ahead and upgraded the motor. We did forged pistons, performance rods, we did a performance blueprint balance on it. We did Edelbrock performance heads. We did a GT40 performance intake manifold. We did 1:6 ratio rockers, a Ford performance camshaft. So this thing's capable of 600 horsepower with this thing hooked up to it. I think he was making probably like 200 horsepower, and now he's going to be pushing, 600 of the wheels, hopefully. We're also doing a performance torque converter just behind the stock rebuilt trans. It should be okay. We're also going to gear the truck. Hopefully we can get this thing to do about 80 miles an hour off-road, which is fast for a truck this big. He's going to be able to jump it, do whatever he wants with it. So if you guys follow us on Instagram, you can follow this build. We're going to be doing progress photos, all kinds of stuff with it. It's going to be neat. Maybe we'll jump it off the loading dock when we're done. So, if you guys need any sort of a performance upgrade, anything from just a basic air filter, which not only will give you performance, but will improve gas mileage. We can make your car loud with the performance exhaust, and then we can just go from there. So come see us at Apex Customs.